Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is Let's Go TCG. Today we're going to be opening up the booster bundle from the Prismatic Evolutions. We got 3 of the Scarlet Violet Surging Sparks with the
4
Latias on there.
Oh, okay.
3, and then the other Scarlet Violet Surging Sparks pack. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so first pack. See what we got here. Ooh, nice one right there. The code for you guys right there. Alright guys, so this is the banger, I guess you could say, we just pulled. It's the Pikachu EX card. I actually have this app on my phone. It's a Rare Candy app. I haven't used it yet. This is gonna be the first card that we tested out on. So let's do this. Identifying card. Any day. Alright, so see, it just like showed me that, give me the total on the card. Swipe to post to feed, I guess. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, so next pack, let's see what we got. Hopefully some magic. And the code. Alright guys, next pack. Hopefully we pull something good here. I'm really hoping. Okay. No bangers.
Right.
Alright guys, final pack. As Preet likes to say, last pack magic.
That's it,
For
man.
the single packs. Let's see what we got here. Damn. Alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Alright guys, we got the booster bundle by Prismatic Evolutions. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, first pack. See what we got. Let's see what we got. Prismatic Evolutions. This is a majority of my new collection. Prismatic Evolutions. Let's see, let's see. Code for you guys. Alright guys, next pack. Let's see. Oh, dang. Okay, let's see if we got any bangers. Ooh,
Repeat.
that's fire. And I think, yeah. Code. All right, guys. Next pack. Let's see what we got. All right, let's go. Damn, I got mad at that Pyro guy. Code for you guys. Damn, bro. Next pack, guys. So far, it's all been duds. Like, I don't know what's going on. All right, let's see. Jeez, gotta go to work. Okay.
Repeat.
Damn, bro.
I think that was new.
We got screwed with the Pokemans. Okay. And the code for you guys. All right, guys. So another pack.
One to last. Blowing for good luck, man. Blowing for good luck.
Gosh. Damn. Come on, bro. Could have. Oh, that's fire. I think I have that one though. I'm not sure.
Last pack, guys.
Last pack. Bless it with your saying, bro.
Last pack magic, man. We need something. We need something fire, bro.
Let's go.
Oh, this looks terrible, man. God damn.
This damn dipping guy.
Yo, this one's that's different.
That's cool. I don't have that one. Damn, I got like 3 of them already.
This was trash.
Damn, guys. Pokemon gods played me.
Don't worry, we'll keep trying.
Preet's gonna take over the video, show you guys what we have so far for the Prismatic Evolutions collection so far, and my new binder. So, hope you guys like it. This is me signing out from Let's Go TCG. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and now Preet's gonna take over the video. Peace.
Alright, guys. Let's see here. Okay. So this is the collection for the Prismatic Evolution. So we have, starting from number 1 on. Isaac's missing a few. With the most recent collection, we filled in a couple of them. A couple of the pages. This page got filled up with today's pulls. We added this one to this page. Added this one to this page. This one to this page. So the collection's going. The goal is to try to fill up all the ones that are available within the. This page got filled up today. This page got filled today. The only full face, full art. And then if we go a couple more pages, this is the last one. One of the first ones he pulled out in the big set. But we're trying. From my understanding, this is one of the harder ones to pull, but still trying on these.